Eggplants are one of the most productive vegetables you can grow in your home garden. In today's episode, we give you 5 tips on growing the best eggplants ever. Tip number 1. Starting your plants early. Eggplants can be sowed 6 weeks before your last frost date, and once you sow the seedlings in a seed starting cell, like this one you see here, the seedlings will germinate in about 8 to 10 days. And once your seedlings are ready, they can be transplanted in containers or raised beds. The reason for starting your plants in seed starting cells is that they develop a lot of endurance before they go into the real environment, and that means you'll have a higher chance of your eggplant producing a lot of good eggplants. So you can transplant your seedlings into raised beds or into containers if you prefer, or even in the ground. Tip number 2. Fertilizing. Fish fertilizer is one of the best fertilizers you can give to your plants. You mix in a couple of tablespoons in a gallon of water, and you can just water your plants with the fish emulsion. This adds a gazillion bacteria into the soil, which will help your plants uptake all these nutrients. Earthworm tea is also excellent for your plants. It helps your plants build a lot of endurance to diseases and pests. And all you do is mix in a couple tablespoons in a watering container of 2 gallons and then water your plants thoroughly. Epsom salt. A lot of soils are deficient in magnesium and sulfur, and Epsom salt is natural and contains both magnesium and sulfur, which are essential for growing eggplants. Just mix in 4 spoons of Epsom salt in 2 gallons of water and then water your plants. This will ensure that your eggplants are larger and of better quality. And if you want to take that extra step, go ahead and add an all-purpose organic fertilizer like the one you see here early on in the growing stage of the eggplants. This will provide a lot of beneficial nutrients for your eggplants to grow and thrive. Tip number 3. Pest management. Aphids are a common insect that attacks the eggplant, and also caterpillars, they chew on the leaves of the plant as well. So to get rid of aphids, what you do is you spray the plant with either neem oil or soap. In this case, I'm showing you how to get rid of aphids using neem oil. And you just spray the plant, the top surface of the leaf and the underside of the leaf as well. And as soon as the insects come in contact with the neem oil, they get killed. The problem is you will not be able to get complete coverage of the plant, and which is why we have a second step to this process. Now you can use neem oil, add in 2 tablespoons per gallon of water, or you can use castile soap. I highly recommend you use Dr. Bronner's castile soap. It is excellent and doesn't harm your plants. And the second step is to wash your plants thoroughly. As I was mentioning, your neem oil or your soap solution may not be able to reach all corners of the plant, but by washing the plant you can get rid of most of your insects. Tip number 4. Growing conditions. Choose a nice sunny location for your eggplants, whether you're growing in containers or raised beds. Make sure they get at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. Also make sure that you're pollinating your eggplants using a toothbrush, as you can see here. By pollinating each flower of your eggplant, you will ensure that each of them develops into a fruit or an eggplant. Tip number 5. Plant a rainbow. It means planting a lot of different varieties of eggplants. Planting different colored eggplants and different varieties of eggplants will not only make your garden look better, it's good for your health as well. Eggplants come in a lot of sizes and colors, and each one has their unique taste and characteristics. And I have uploaded videos on growing larger eggplants, smaller eggplants, longer eggplants, almost all types of eggplants that you can grow. So be sure to check them out. And now for the bonus eggplant recipe section. We are dicing our eggplants that we harvested from our garden, and we are going to be dicing it into small pieces here. And this is a very quick recipe, and we cook this very often. We now let the eggplant pieces sit with a mix of turmeric and chili powder for a few minutes. In a wok, we add some cumin seeds, some mustard seeds, and then we add in the diced eggplants that were sitting in the turmeric, chili, salt solution. And once that's done, you just stir fry the eggplant pieces till they become tender. Now different people like different levels of the way the eggplant is cooked. We usually cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes, and that seems to do the job. It seems to give a good texture to the eggplant, as you can see here. and this can be eaten with rice or tortillas. So there we have it, folks. That was our episode on 5 tips that will help you grow the best eggplants ever. If you liked this video, do give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, do let us know in the comments box below. We'll see you again soon. Happy gardening!